Welcome back, cat babes, to another tutorial here on Cat's Creations. I hope you guys like this really killer purpley smoky purple lip that I've got going on here. If you'd like to see how to achieve this really simple, it only takes 2 palettes, and just keep watching. Welcome back, cat babes, to another tutorial here on Cat's Creations. So we're going to go ahead and use the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So first step, we're going to go ahead and use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Peach, and we're going to go ahead and dampen a beauty blender with the Mario Badescu Setting Rose Water Spray, and go ahead and pat that into your skin. Make sure you get it nice and blended out so that the pigmentation is even all over your eyelid. And then going into the Bling Boss palette, you're going to want to go ahead and pick up the first shade called Hush Hush, and this is going to be the base shadow for this look. And then going in with a fluffy blending brush, we're just going to go ahead and blend that all over the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And this shade does blend out very nicely and darkens pretty quickly, so just be a little careful with that as well so you don't make it overly dark. And then going in with this shade called Rockstar in that same palette, we're going to go ahead and use a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, and we're just going to go ahead and follow the natural crease of our eye to set for the cut crease. I love this purple. I think it's beautiful. Oh yeah. I have a thing for purple. It just looks so pretty. And then just keep blending. That is the key to anything you do. Just keep blending. And then using the shade Sparks, we're just going to go ahead and do the same pattern that we did with the color Rockstar. I use so many different techniques when I do my eyeshadows. It's so hard to tell you guys what to do exactly, because I do windshield wiper motions, I do circular, I don't even know at this point. I just do it. And then using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, we're gonna pick up the Zora Blending 807 brush, and we're going to go into that light purple shade up in the top right hand corner, I believe. We're just going to do the same thing that we did before, following the crease that we were making, just to make it more vibrant, because you know I got to be a little extra, just a little. And then just keep blending. And then going in with a flat shader brush, and the one I used was by Basic Beauty. It was a lip brush, but I use it for whatever. And then going into the NYX eyeshadow primer base in the color ESB03, just go ahead and start to cut the crease. Be careful to not mess up in this step. I always feel like I do. It just takes practice. I have really small eyes, so trying to make it noticeable is a little bit more complicated than most, but you'll get the hang of it. Practice makes perfect, guys. Then going in with the main star of the palette, Bling Bling. Bling Bling. Bling Bling. Wow, I cannot talk today. Go ahead and put that all over the NYX eyeshadow base and just push it in as best as you can to get the most pigmentation payoff. And then just keep going back and forth with all three of the eyeshadows that we used to deepen the color, make it look more like it goes together so there's no harsh lines, anything like that. Just keep going until you feel like it is to the point that you like it and you are happy and satisfied with it. You just want to make your eye look seamless without it looking like you've overdone it. Blend, blending, blending. All we're gonna do is blend, blend. And we're blending, and we're blending. It reminds me of that movie with Adam Sandler and Drew Barrymore. The one where they go to I think it's called Out of Africa or something. I don't know, but that movie makes me laugh. And then going in with the Wet n Wild felt tip eyeliner in the color black, just go ahead and draw a winged whatever, man. I've lost my mind. So you know the drill. Just draw it out, make it look good, make sure they match, and we's golden. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye, lashes, face, everything off camera. And thank you, cat babes, for watching my tutorial. Now if you stay to the very end, I'm going to go ahead and pick the winner of my giveaway. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a like, a comment. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys! Thank you guys so much for watching and staying till the end of my video so that I can pick the winner of my giveaway live. So I have everybody that entered my giveaway's name in this little name generator right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try and to enlarge it so you guys can see. But without further ado and without making you guys wait any longer, let's go see who's gonna win. Mama Trana is the winner of my giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and contact you on your Instagram because you did leave that below. And I'm going to get your contact information and everything like that. And I'll go ahead and get your prizes sent out to you. Thank you guys so much for participating in my giveaway. And the next one is going to be when I reach 300 subscribers. I'm planning a really special one for that one. So please stay tuned. Thank you guys.